Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious banana bread made with coconut flour, completely oil and butter free, with the delicious warm spices for a delicious flavour. Start off by cracking 5 large eggs into a bowl and giving them a good whisk. At this point, I've already preheated my oven to 180 Celsius. Now I'm adding 3½ tablespoons of demerara sugar. I give that a little whisk and put it to one side. Alright, now time for the dry ingredients. In this bowl I've got 110 grams of coconut flour. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 1 good heap teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground mixed spice, a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. So I'm just using a fork to blend the spices into the flour because I don't want clumps of baking powder or spices in my banana bread. Because there's no butter in this recipe, I like to be a bit more generous with the spices for a bit more flavour. So now I'm going to mash the bananas. I'm using 4 medium-sized well-ripe bananas and I'll just crush those with a fork. To the eggs, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After giving that a good whisk, I'm going to add the mashed bananas. And to the egg mixture, I'm going to add 3 good handfuls of sultanas. And I'll just give that a good whisk. Now I'll add the dry ingredients and give everything a good mix through. Now that's all mixed up, I'm going to transfer the mixture to my silicone loaf tin. So I'll just smooth the mixture down and I'm going to bake this at 180 Celsius for half an hour. So the banana loaf is baked after half an hour. I'm just going to leave it for 10 minutes before transferring it to a cooling rack. So there it is, delicious banana bread made with coconut flour, full of delicious warm spices, completely oil and butter free. Please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes from me. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.